Hello guys, welcome to Spot Area channel. Today I will give you a tutorial how to change theme in the DM of Instagram account. Maybe first you can click this application. After that you click the symbol of direct message. Click the someone who can you send a message. After that you click this name and you click theme. So many theme here, you can choose one of them. I choose the celebration and go back. Yeah, the theme is changed. This is a tutorial how to change the theme of the direct message on your Instagram account. Thank you for the attention and bye.